Alright, what's going on, you guys? I'm doing this quickly. Another trailer type thing was released for Transformers 5. Link will be in the description. Go look at it. You need to go look at this. Video will also play here when I'm done. So, alright, that's it. Later.